Well, this is awkward. Poachers and a tap guide?
Help! Get me down!
Stay out of our business, or else.
Or else you'll bore me to death with threats? Hurry, please! You poach like predators, sneaky and starving. You poach like predators, sneaky and starving. Savannah snares? More like Savannah snores. Savannah dust on leather. This snare's more sneeze than surprise. That net trap? That's what happens when you leave the marked trails.
I thought I was being careful. It was terrifying.
Careful isn't enough. Stick to surveyed paths, carry a signal device.
I'll remember that.